Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make beans kootu. So this is basically a sabji guys. So it contains beans and dal. So today I'm going to share one of the famous recipe in the South Indian thali. So this is called kootu guys. So let's start. So for this recipe what you need some chopped beans, and I washed this one, and I'm going to add little bit of turmeric and salt. Hey guys, here I'm going to add some turmeric powder. So you can use half a teaspoon of turmeric powder into this, and salt up to your taste. And into this I'm going to add half a cup of moong dal, and I'm going to add some water. So I'm going to add half a cup of water. So I'm going to add little bit of water so that it will be nicely cooked, and I'm going to keep it in the pressure cooker, and we have to cook this one for up to 3 whistles. Hey guys, I kept it in the pressure cooker, and I'm going to cook this one. So this is very easy recipe guys. So yeah. Hey guys, my sabji and dal are nicely cooked, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some sambar powder. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sambar powder into this. It gives a nice flavor in the kootu. So I added 2 tablespoons of sambar powder. You can use any sambar powder, homemade or MTR, any sambar powder. And I'm going to mix this one very well. And I will add some water guys. Hey guys, I added half a cup of water. So this is according to your taste, how much water you want in your sabji. So I added half a cup of water, and till now I didn't add any oil guys. So this is very healthy recipe, and after adding the water I'm going to cook this one for 2 minutes. Then later we will do the tempering in the ghee. So I'm going to cook this one for 2 minutes in a low flame. So I'm going to cook this one in a very low flame. Hey guys, for the tempering, what I'm going to do, take a kadai, add ghee or oil, but today I'm going to add some ghee. Or you can do it in the coconut oil also. So today I'm adding the ghee, and when the ghee is started melting, we have to add the mustard seeds, the urud dal, and the asafoetida, the hing powder. Hey guys, I added the mustard seeds, the urud dal. So it is up to your choice how much you want, and I added some asafoetida. So we have to add this tempering into that kootu, that is sabji. And if you want, you can add these 2 red chilies. It gives a nice color. Hey guys, I added that tempering into this dal and veggies. So this is nicely done guys. So this is one of the famous recipe in the South Indian thali plate. So I thought I can share this recipe with you guys. So yeah, so this is the quick video of how to make sabji and dal, that is kootu, at your home. See you soon in my another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. And this recipe goes well with rice, or even with roti or puri, anything guys. So yeah, see you soon. Bye.